Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, tout va bien? En Belgique, il fait très très froid. Nous sommes le mois de juin et il n'y a pas beaucoup de soleil. J'ai un pull et une tasse de café. I have my big sweater because really it's not warm in Belgium. There is still rain, it's still cold. So maybe nice that we can just be inside and read some Tintin. Ainsi, vous avez réussi votre troisième enlèvement. So, you have succeeded your third kidnapping. C'est très bien. It's very well. Je propose de monter cette affaire en société anonyme. I suggest to monter cette affaire. Monter une affaire means like to make or to construct a business. En société anonyme in Belgium is like a limited company. Nous travaillerons en série. We will work in series, like a lot of them. Nous distribuerons des prospectus ainsi conçus. We will distribute. If you remember, the future tense in French is made by the whole verb, distribuer, and then you put the ending here, ONS. So we will distribute. The prospectus is flyers like this conceived. Pour vos rapt, adressez-vous à l'enlèvement SA. For your rapt, I think it's like maybe abduction or also kidnapping. Adressez-vous, contact, the company kidnapping SA, and SA is Société Anonyme, is so limited. Kidnapping limited. Célérité, speed. Discrétion, discretion. Mutisme, maybe we could say mutism, but maybe more convenient would be silence. Mutisme des victimes garanti. Silence of the victims is guaranteed. Ville et province. In the city and in the countryside. Okay, so that is their discussion. Un instant, je vous prie. One moment, I pray you. So one moment, please. Je vais soumettre les statuts de notre future association. I'm going to submit to you les statuts de notre association is like the articles or the text, the official text, the legal text of the future association. Oh! Que se passe-t-il? What is happening? On dirait qu'il est tombé. One would say that he has fallen. He has tripped. So there is on the floor. The others are really very astonished. Il a dû être frappé de congestion. He must have been frappé, hit by congestion. Cours vite chercher un verre d'eau. Run quickly to get to search, to fetch is better, to fetch a glass of water. Ouch! Oh, what's happening there? Well, another one who's on the floor. Bill, allons, Bill, réveille-toi. Bill, come on, Bill, wake up. Whack! And the third one is knocked on the head. Eh bien, voilà du bon travail. Well, there we have good work. Je commençais à avoir chaud. I started to be warm, to be very warm. And you see that in French, you don't say to be warm, you say to have warm. Et maintenant qu'ils sont hors de combat, il s'agit de retrouver Milou. And now that they are out of combat, like they cannot fight anymore, il s'agit de, it's all about finding back Milou. It's going downstairs. We are on the next page, page 51. So he's walking through the tunnel, and then he sees there that there is a lot of people who have been kidnapped. You see, enlevé, le 20 juin, kidnapped the 20th of June, and then the ransom is like $100,000. Here you have a general. This was a senator. And then, Milou, chien means dog, enlevé le 25 juin, kidnapped the 25th of June, ransom 50,000. Milou, Milou, woo, woo. So Milou is inside. C'est moi, Milou. It's me, Milou. Encore un peu de patience. Still a little bit of patience. Je m'en vais chercher les clés de ton cachot. I'm going to fetch, again, this chercher, I'm going to fetch the keys to your prison cell. And Tintin is going away. In the meantime, one of the three is waking up. Que s'est-il passé? What has happened? J'ai la tête lourde. I have a heavy head. Pourtant, je n'avais bu qu'un seul verre de whisky. Although I hadn't drunk only one single glass of whiskey. Je me demande, I wonder, well, it really is like I ask myself, so I wonder. Hé là, du calme, s'il vous plaît. Hey there, calm down, please. He knocks him down again, fetching the keys. Me voici, mon brave Milou. Here I am, my brave Milou. Tu vois que Tintin ne t'a pas abandonné. You see that Tintin hasn't abandoned you. Milou, mon vieux Milou. Milou, my old Milou. Et moi qui croyais déjà ne plus jamais te revoir. And I who believed already not ever revoir, seeing you back. And ever is like ne plus jamais, never ever. Chut, j'entends du bruit. Chut, I hear noise or noises. Un des bandits là-haut aura sûrement donné l'alarme. One of the bandits up there will have, for sure, given the alarm. Un coup de sifflet, a whistle blow. Soyons sur nos gardes. Let's be on our guards, like let's watch out. Tu as un drôle de costume, Tintin. You have a funny costume, Tintin. Il est dans le château. He is in the castle. Je vous donne 10 minutes pour me l'amener ici, pieds et poings liés. I give you 10 minutes to bring him to me here, bound feet and hands. In English, it would be hand and foot bound. Hand and foot bound. In French, it's rather foot and hands bound. Allons, oust, filez. Come on, go, filez. Leave now. So now we are on page 52. Ils sont au moins une douzaine à nous poursuivre. They are at least 12, une douzaine, more or less 12, to be in pursuit of us, to follow us. J'entends déjà le bruit de leurs pas. I hear already the noise of their steps. Je n'aimerais pas retomber entre leurs mains. I wouldn't like to fall again, retomber, like refall, fall again, between their hands. Dungeon. Oubliette, well, oubliette, maybe use that word also in English. Well, it really means oblivion. So they threw people in there, especially during the Middle Ages, and they forgot them. They never got out again. But it's really like a prison cell. Surtout, tâche de ne pas te tromper de porte, n'est-ce pas, Tintin? Especially, try not to te tromper, to get mistaken of the door. Well, it really means don't get the wrong door. Hein? Se tromper is to get mistaken, to be mistaken. Don't get the wrong door. N'est-ce pas, Tintin? Aren't you, Tintin? Oubliette donjon. This is the dungeon, and then oubliette, yeah, that's where they throw the prisoners. Il est parti par là. He's gone that way, par là, that way. Regarde, look, la porte est restée ouverte. The door has, well, stayed open. L'imbécile, foolish guy, imbecile, il s'est réfugié dans le donjon. He fled in the dungeon. Il sera pris comme un rat. He will be taken as a rat. Chut, pas de bruit. Shh, no noise. Là, ils sont tous passés. There, they all passed. Maintenant, je les tiens. Now I hold them, I have them. Eh bien, Milou, qu'en penses-tu? Well, Milou, what do you think about it? The about it is the little word en. En means about it. Aucun n'a remarqué que les pancartes avaient changé de place. Not one, aucun, any of them, not one has noticed that the signs had changed of place, which really means have been swapped. Les voilà tous dans les oubliettes. There they are all in the, well, oubliettes, so in the prison cell down there. Ça, c'est du beau travail. That is good work. Et maintenant que ceux-ci sont bouclés, allons prendre livraison des 3 autres. And now that those here are bouclés, buckled up, imprisoned, let's go and take delivery of the 3 others. Une demi-heure, half an hour. Voilà déjà une demi-heure qu'ils sont partis, tonnerre de tonnerre. There it is already half an hour that they have left. Thunder of thunder. Okay, it's a bit old-fashioned to say that. Et je n'entends plus rien. And I don't hear anything anymore. C'est vraiment extraordinaire. It's really extraordinary. Haut la main. Hands up. Comment? Lui? How? Him? Et mes 15 gardes du corps? And my 15 bodyguards? Qu'en a-t-il fait? What has he done with them? En tout cas, il s'agit à présent de ne pas se faire prendre. In any case, il s'agit, it's all about, at present, so now, not to have myself be taken. Ne pas se faire prendre. Not to have myself taken, myself caught. Ah, désolé de vous quitter. Ah, sorry to leave you. Oh, and we go to the next page. Page 53. Le lendemain, the day after, on annonce que le jeune reporter Tintin vient de capturer et de livrer à la police une bande de dangereux malfaiteurs spécialisés dans le rapt et l'enlèvement. They announce that the young reporter Tintin has just captured and delivered to the police a gang of dangerous bandits. specialized in the abduction and kidnapping. Des documents d'une extrême importance ont été saisis. Documents of a extreme importance have been seized, have been taken. Seul le chef de la bande a pu s'enfuir. Only the boss of the gang, the chief of the gang, has been able to flee. Il est l'objet d'active recherche. He is the object of active research. So they're trying to find him. L'objet d'active recherche. The object of active research. Ha 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 ha. L'objet va vous prouver qu'il s'en moque de vos recherches. The object is going to prove to you that he, and then s'en moquer is to laugh at, that he laughs at your research. Il a encore plus d'un tour dans son sac, l'objet. He has still more than one, well, in French you say than one tour in his bag, but in English I think he will say like one trick up his sleeve. He has more than one trick up his sleeve, the object. Allô, allô, hello, hello, Tom? Oui, lui-même, yes, himself. Toujours chez Slift. You're still with Slift. And then the day after, le lendemain, invitation, invitation. Les établissements Slift ont l'honneur d'inviter Monsieur Tintin à visiter leurs nouvelles installations. The establishments Slift have the honor to invite Mr. Tintin to visit their new installations, new machines. Tiens, une invitation des usines de conserve Slift. Well, an invitation of the factories of conserve, it's in fact canned food. So cans, conserve cans, canned food, Slift. Je pense que ce doit être très intéressant. I think that it must be very interesting. Eh bien, j'irai. Well, I will go. Nous irons, tu veux dire. We will go, you mean, you want to say. Oui, pour combattre la crise, nous faisons des échanges. Yes, to combat or to overcome the crisis, we do exchanges. Les usines d'automobiles nous envoient leurs vieilles voitures. So the factories of cars, automobile cars, send to us their old cars. Et nous en faisons des boîtes de corned beef neuves. And we make of it cans of corned beef, but neuve, new cans of corned beef. Qualité garantie, quality guaranteed. De notre côté, nous leur fournissons les boîtes à conserve usagées que nos agents rassemblent dans le monde entier. From our side, we furnish, we give them boîtes de conserve, so cans that are used cans, that our agents rassemblent, collect in the entire world. Ces usines en font un modèle super sport qui a beaucoup de succès. Those factories make of them a super sport model which has a lot of success. Vous voyez cette énorme machine? You see this enormous machine? Eh bien, well, les bœufs arrivent par ici sur un tapis roulant à la queue leu-leu. The cows arrive through here on a treadmill, hein, tapis roulant. It's a carpet that rolls, a treadmill. À la queue leu, in English would be the one after the other. Yes. Et ils en sortent de l'autre côté. And they are coming out from the other side sous forme de corned beef, de saucisse, de graisse à frites. In the form of corned beef, sausages, and frying fat. Graisse is fat, frites is fries, frying fat. Tout se fait automatiquement. Everything is done automatically. Maintenant, si vous voulez bien me suivre, je vais vous montrer le fonctionnement de cette machine. And now, if you want, please, to follow me, I am going to show to you the functioning of this machine. Si vous tombiez là-dedans, vous seriez aussitôt broyé par les énormes malaxeurs que vous voyez là sous vos pieds. If you fell in there, you would be immediately broyé, crushed by the enormous mixers that you see there under your feet. Ce ne serait pas drôle. That wouldn't be funny. You see there, pushing on this button, ha ha, and wow, Tintin is falling into the big machine. Wow, this is the end of page 53. There was a lot of text, so we will stop here. A cliffhanger. Will Tintin get out of it alive or not? Well, we know how the adventures of Tintin always end, but still, it's some kind of a cliffhanger. I continue my coffee. It's still very early, but I have a lot of work to do. I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday. Très, très bon mardi. Et à la semaine prochaine. Au revoir.